Okay, so now we have already set up the two machine. Okay, one of course is your attacking machine, and one is your target or the victim machine. Of course, the first thing you need to check is to make sure that your attacking machine can actually see your target machine. Right. So you need to know the IP address of the target machine. So one way you can do that is you can either use the, since this one is Linux, you can use the if config or the show IP address. Right, and then you will get the IP address over here 192.168.56.102. Or if you are using the virtual box, you can also point to this little network portion over here to see whether it is actually connected or not. If you can't get any IP address, it's possible that this one is not configured properly. All right, so that is one way to identify that. Then you need to be able to reach your victim machine or your target machine. So in you can actually just try a ping. So in this case, this will ping the other machine. So 192, right? One, okay, 2.168.56, right? Dot 102. Now, of course, if you're using the ping, you have to first probably turn down the firewall in your target machine, because firewall sometimes they will actually block the ping. Okay, so the ping will reach the firewall and then get killed. All right. So this particular Linux machine do not have a firewall, so I should be able to ping them, and you can see it is actually coming back. All right, so which means this target machine, sorry, this attacking machine, all right, can actually see the target machine over here. Okay, let me just stop this. All right, then you're ready to start your project as well as your assignment.